Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick video about Microsoft Edge. For those of you that are using the Edge browser, there is a look at a different Edge, a different way of the Microsoft Edge browser to actually be implemented. So Microsoft has been actually working on something that is Edge Phoenix or Project Phoenix for Edge. And they're kind of reimagining what the browser could be like. And we started having some interesting ideas coming from the Walking Cat on Twitter. If you want to see some unusual stuff, I suggest that Walking Cat is one of the Twitter users that you follow, as he is often showing some unusual and new stuff that he finds from the project. So here is actually a video that he's showing that gives a small view of what the Edge Phoenix browser could be like and things that you could do and how things change. So it's kind of cool concept. It's kind of a cool way of reimagining the browser. And honestly, it actually is interesting because it does have some really interesting new ideas that you don't see on any other browsers. So this is kind of cool to look at, and I think it's something nice to imagine here in the concept. So we're going to see if because there's a split screen. We know that split screen is coming. The split screen is something that apparently is already in one of the dev builds that can be turned on. So that's going to be interesting to see split screen. The other thing about split screen is that Microsoft seems to want to bring split screen to a lot of apps. I don't know how important it is for us to have split screens in apps, but here there's the concept that's here is kind of interesting. So we'll see what it actually brings, and we'll also see if maybe some new changes coming up to Microsoft Edge in the future. So if you want to see more and you want to see more of the unusual things that pop up from time to time, the Walking Cat on Twitter is a guy that is a user to follow to get more details of upcoming unusual and upcoming features that often he will show us before we actually see them arrive. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.